Easy cooking ideas. Cheap and simple. Easy to learn. Using simple ingredients. Simple quick recipes for beginner. Let's get cooking at home. Home Cooking Channel 2020.
Before you start watching, please click the like button. Then, click the subscribe button. Lastly, click the bell, click the first one, all. Don't worry, the subscribing is free. After subscribed, you can be the first to see the videos we posted. Will not cause you any losses. Please feel free to like, and to subscribe to this video and share it with your friends. Your small actions can give us great encouragement. We greatly appreciate your support.
Welcome to Home Cooking Channel. We use simple ingredients to cook perfect delicious dishes. The most easy way to cook tasty fish for beginner, episode 4. Today we will show you how to fry crispy fish fillets with sweet, sour and spicy sauce.
Our main ingredient is fish fillets, and what type of fish we use today. Iridescent shark fish, or, we call it, silver catfish, from Vietnam. We use the frozen fish fillets 1,000 grams in the packet, imported from Vietnam. Here are the 1,000 grams silver catfish raw fillets. To safely thaw frozen fish, place the fish in the refrigerator overnight so it can thaw out gradually. This is the best way to preserve the fish's flavor and texture. Wonderful. It's look very fresh. Come on, let us add a teaspoon of salt to marinate the fish about 1 hour. Adding some white pepper powder can help to remove the fishy smell and also enhance the taste. Pour out 2 tablespoons of cooking wine.
Add a teaspoon of chicken stock powder. Add an egg into the fish. Mix it well, then let it marinate at least 1 hour. This is the ingredient for the sweet sour spicy sauce. We prepare half of a big onion, 3 small chilies and 4 slices of ginger, 1 tomato and 6 garlic cloves, 10 tablespoons of tomato paste or sauce, 1 tablespoon of plum sauce.
Let us mix up the sauce. Pour the plum sauce into tomato sauce. Add 100 milliliters water into the mixture. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar. And mix it well, put aside. This is the fish fillet after 1 hour marinating. The secrets to make crispy fish fillet: 4 to 5 tablespoons of cassava starch must be added. We only use cassava starch because when fried in high heat, the fish fillet will become more crispy, crunchy and tasty. Mix it evenly. Before we frying, just add on 2 tablespoons of cooking oil on it, and mix it evenly. We do this step is because we want to avoid the fish fillets will stick on the wok when we fry it. Okay, ready to fry, turn high heat, let's fry the fish fillets. Heat up the wok to maximum high temperature. Fried it until yellowish, and then take out. You can feel the fish fillets is so crispy now. Okay, put it aside. Let us prepare the ingredients for sauce. We cut it small all the ingredient. Cut the chili into small portion. Cut the ginger into strips. Flatten the garlic and cut into pieces. Cut the tomato into small pieces. Cut the onion too. Heat up the pan with some oil, put ginger in first, we will cook the sauce now. Add in the garlic. Stir fry until aroma come out. Then, put the tomato in. Put the onion in. Lastly, mix evenly the paste, then pour the mixture into the pan. Combine while other ingredients cook for 2 minutes. Oh, don't forget to add chilies in it to enhance the spicy taste. Alright, the tasty sweet sour and spicy sauce is done. Let's pour into a bowl. Wow, fantastic. So nice, the crispy fish fillets with unique sweet sour and spicy sauce. You must try it. Easy step-by-step cooking method. Let's DIY. See you next video. Bye.
Please subscribe and press the bell if you enjoy my video. More video is waiting for you.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my video.